Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to pronounce WH questions with the verb be. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos on English pronunciation. Now, sit back and get ready to start asking WH questions together. Let's give it a try! What is your name? When we say what is, we make it into a contraction. What's. Therefore, it becomes, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Jay. How are you today? When we say, how are you today, there is no contraction. We just say, how are you today? How are you today? How are you today? I'm just fine. Where are you from? When asking, where are you from, we don't use a contraction. So, like before, we just ask, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Florida, in the United States. Who's that? Who is becomes a contraction. Whose. Therefore, it becomes, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? She's my sister. What's she like? What is becomes what's. So we would ask, what's she like? Like refers to the person's appearance and personality. What's she like? What's she like? What's she like? She's pretty and very friendly. What's Florida like? What is becomes what's. And like means a description once again. What's Florida like? What's Florida like? What's Florida like? It's very sunny and beautiful. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week. I have other videos on English pronunciation here. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.